Want to see the coolest thing I've ever seen in an airplane seat?
This is the heavy, heavy monster sound. The nuttiest sound around. So if you're coming up the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well, listen, sister, you better start to move your feet.
When I think of the greatest days in my entire life, I think of when my children were born, or perhaps when my son graduated high school, or today, when I was upgraded from business to first on Emirates. I don't know what I did to deserve this, I really don't. Oh my god. Snacks? Writing kit? We're in the air, just left Dubai. I got my own doors. It's like my own little house over here. Total privacy. Here is enormous. It's like a movie theater. It's touchscreen, but you can also control it with this thing. It's like a mini iPad remote. Now, if I want a drink and I don't want to have to call them, and the fact that that's motorized is just ridiculous. It's completely unnecessary. Purser told me that I just order whatever I want, whenever I want it. There's no meal time. You just tell them to cook you something and they cook it. Like being at a real restaurant. This is caviar. If you don't know, caviar is fish eggs. Salty. In addition to the amenities kit, this lovely thing, which has all kinds of great surprises in it, like shaving cream and deodorant and all kinds of shit like that, they gave me this big bag, see? And in here, slippers, eye shades, and pajamas. Very nice. I brought my own pajamas, but I appreciate the gesture. Alright, this is what it looks like when it goes from a seat, from a chair, to a bed. Than my my bed at home. It's so cozy. The moment has arrived. She just told me my shower is ready. So you have to reserve the shower, like make a reservation. I reserved it for as close to landing as possible. We land in an hour and 45 minutes, so it's shower time. This is gonna be so awesome.
Yeah, you close the door to get the water, and you adjust the temperature. Once you find you press that button, the water will come. You press again, it will stop.
Perfect. This is it. The real deal. The dream. Showering on an airplane. I've got 30 minutes in here. I can do whatever I want. I got 5 minutes of running water in the shower. That gives me 25 other minutes to fill. That's a real orchid. Dreams do come true. I am showering on an airplane. This is amazing. It's everything I'd hoped it would be. I am 43,000 feet in the air right now. I feel fresh and clean. Thus concludes my airplane shower spa experience. Thank you. Truly extraordinary experience. Did you shower?
Yeah, of course.
How was it?
Amazing.
Incredible, right?
Cool, eh?
Unbelievable. See you later, thank you. It really does change your whole relationship with travel. When you take what was the most painful part of traveling, and instead of that being a terrible experience, it goes from pain
The whole experience of traveling is so much more pleasurable.
like a meatball. Fish.